Hey everyone, it's Sikmum Smith Mean Guy, and today we're checking out an awesome place, Kratie Province, Cambodia. We're talking beautiful islands, special dolphins you don't see everywhere, old temples, and really yummy food. It's a place that makes you feel good, you know? Like a vacation for your mind. So get ready because we're going to the 10 best places in Kratie. First, we're taking a boat to Koh Trong Island. As we glide over the serene waters of the Mekong River, the anticipation builds. The island slowly comes into view, a lush green gem in the middle of the river. The gentle hum of the boat's engine is the only sound, blending harmoniously with the natural surroundings. The journey itself is a peaceful escape, setting the tone for the adventure that awaits. Imagine this: you, a bike, and long dirt roads through rice farms, small villages, and temples. The roads are lined with tall, swaying palm trees, and the air is filled with the scent of fresh earth and blooming flowers. As you pedal along, you pass by friendly locals who greet you with warm smiles and waves. The simplicity of life here is captivating, offering a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of city life. Each turn of the wheel brings a new discovery, whether it's a hidden temple or a picturesque rice paddy. It's like going back in time where life is slower. The traditional Cambodian villages are a testament to a way of life that has remained unchanged for generations. Wooden houses on stilts, children playing in the dirt, and farmers tending to their fields create a scene that feels like a living postcard. The pace here allows you to truly appreciate the beauty of the moment, to soak in the tranquility and simplicity that define Koh Trong. The air smells like flowers and incense, and you only hear birds singing and kids laughing. The vibrant colors of the flowers contrast beautifully with the earthy tones of the village, creating a feast for the senses. The soundscape is equally enchanting, with the gentle rustling of leaves, the melodic calls of birds, and the joyful laughter of children playing games. It's a symphony of nature and community, a reminder of the simple joys in life. This is real Cambodian life, people living with nature. Here, the connection between the people and their environment is palpable. Villagers go about their daily routines with a sense of harmony and respect for the land. You see farmers working in the fields, families gathering for meals, and artisans crafting traditional goods. It's a lifestyle that values sustainability and community, offering a refreshing perspective in our fast-paced world. We'll eat real Cambodian food, stuff you won't find in tourist spots. The local cuisine is a delightful adventure for your taste buds, featuring fresh ingredients and bold flavors. From savory curries to sweet desserts, each dish tells a story of the region's rich culinary heritage. Sharing a meal with the locals is more than just eating. It's an experience that brings you closer to the heart of Cambodian culture. Koh Trong is all about forgetting the busy world and remembering what's important. It's a place where you can disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with yourself and nature. Whether you're lounging in a hammock, exploring the island's scenic trails, or simply sitting by the river, the island offers countless opportunities for relaxation and reflection. It's a sanctuary for the soul, a place to recharge and find peace. And when the sun goes down over the Mekong River, making the sky orange and pink, the beauty of the moment is almost surreal. The colors of the sunset reflect off the water, creating a mesmerizing display that captivates the senses. It's a perfect end to a day filled with exploration and discovery, a moment to pause and appreciate the natural wonders around you. You'll know this is what life is all about. But wait, there's more. The magic of Koh Trong doesn't end with the sunset. As night falls, the island takes on a new charm. The stars come out and the sounds of the night create a soothing backdrop. It's a time for reflection, for sharing stories with fellow travelers, and for dreaming about the adventures that await. We have 9 more amazing places to see, so let's go. Each destination offers its own unique experiences and breathtaking views. From hidden waterfalls to ancient temples, the journey through Kratie Province is filled with wonders waiting to be discovered. So grab your camera, put on your explorer's hat, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Okay everyone, we're up early today, and there's a good reason for it because we're looking for some of the rarest animals in the world. Irrawaddy dolphins. These unique creatures are known for their rounded heads and expressive faces. These dolphins are almost gone from the world, but here in Kratie they live in the Mekong River. The river provides a sanctuary for them, away from the threats they face elsewhere. We're in a small boat with a local guide who knows the river really well. Our guide has spent years navigating these waters and knows the best spots to find these elusive dolphins. I'm so excited, looking for a pink fin, a splash, anything. The anticipation is building as we scan the water's surface, hoping for a glimpse of these rare creatures. Then, There it is. A gray fin pops up, then another and another. It's a magical moment seeing these dolphins in their natural habitat. 6, maybe 7 dolphins are swimming with our boat. They seem curious about us, swimming closer and giving us a fantastic view. They jump and splash, not scared of us at all. Their playful behavior is a joy to watch, and it's clear they're comfortable in their environment. It's amazing to be so close to these beautiful animals. Their smooth gray bodies glisten in the sunlight as they move gracefully through the water. This is more than just seeing something cool, it's like connecting with nature. Being here in this moment reminds us of the importance of preserving these incredible creatures and their habitats. But wait, Kratie has more to show us. This province is rich in culture and natural beauty, offering a unique blend of experiences for any traveler. From bustling local markets filled with traditional Cambodian food to serene landscapes that take your breath away, Kratie is a hidden gem waiting to be explored. And let's not forget the historical sites. Ancient temples and monuments tell the story of a rich and vibrant history that dates back centuries. As the day comes to an end, the sunset over the Mekong River paints the sky in hues of orange and pink, a perfect end to an unforgettable day. The evening brings a different kind of magic, with the nightlife in Kratie offering a chance to unwind and reflect on the day's adventures. As we say goodbye to the Mekong River, we carry with us memories of a rare encounter with the Irrawaddy dolphins and the beauty of Kratie. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the wonders of our world. Get ready to climb. We're about to embark on an exciting journey up Phnom Sambak, a hill that promises not just a physical challenge but also a spiritual and visual reward. We're going up Phnom Sambak, a hill with a beautiful pagoda on top. It has amazing views. The pagoda is a serene sanctuary that offers a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of Cambodia. Okay, this climb is hard. The stairs seem endless and each step tests our endurance. But with every step, we get closer to the top and the anticipation builds. It's a steep stairway, and it's hot and humid. The tropical climate adds to the challenge, making the climb even more strenuous. But the lush greenery around us provides a refreshing contrast. But the view is worth it. As we ascend, the landscape unfolds, revealing a breathtaking panorama that makes every drop of sweat worthwhile. The air gets cooler as we climb. A gentle breeze greets us, offering a much-needed respite from the heat. It's as if nature itself is encouraging us to keep going. We see monks in orange robes. Their presence adds a sense of tranquility and reverence to the journey. They move with grace and purpose, reminding us of the spiritual significance of this place. And then, we're at the top. The sense of accomplishment is overwhelming. We've made it, and the reward is a view that stretches as far as the eye can see. The pagoda is beautiful, with carvings in gold. Each detail tells a story, reflecting the artistry and devotion of those who built it. It's a masterpiece of Khmer architecture, but the view is the best part. From this vantage point we can see the vast countryside dotted with rice farms and small villages. It's a scene of pastoral beauty and simplicity. We see rice farms for miles, little villages and temples. The landscape is a patchwork of green fields and traditional homes offering a glimpse into the rural life of Cambodia. It's peaceful up here, like you're connected to something old and special. The serenity of the hilltop is palpable, making it a perfect place for reflection and meditation. But we have more to see, so let's keep going. Our journey doesn't end here. There are more adventures waiting, more stories to uncover, and more beauty to behold. Time to cool down. We're going to Kampi Rapids, little waterfalls that are like a natural water park. The water is so clear. This is a place to have fun, like a kid again. We're jumping in, swimming, and letting the water carry us. The sound of the water is relaxing. We're surrounded by jungle and the air smells fresh. It's like a secret paradise. After swimming, we relax on the rocks and enjoy the quiet. And guess what? We have more to see. Get ready to go back in time at Wat Roka Kandal, one of the oldest pagodas in Kratie. This place is full of history. It's quiet and peaceful inside. The air smells like incense and you hear monks chanting. The pagoda is beautiful, with carvings and bright colors. We look at the murals that tell stories about Buddha. These stories are interesting and make you think. It's amazing to think about how old this place is. But we're just starting to see what Kratie has to offer. Let's keep exploring. Get ready for something different. We're going to Koh Dao, an island that does tourism in a good way. The people here protect their environment and share it with visitors. The people here are friendly and want to show us their life. We explore the beaches, kayak in the mangrove forests, and learn how they fish. When the sun sets, we eat with the villagers and share stories. Koh Dao shows how tourism can be good for nature and people. But wait, there's more to see in Kratie. Get ready to go back in time in Chlong, a town that looks like old France. Time moves slowly here. The buildings are beautiful, and it's very relaxing. We walk down the streets, looking at the shops and old buildings. We drink coffee and watch people. When the sun sets, we go to the river, where kids are playing and music is playing. Chlong is a special place. But we have more to see, so let's go. Get ready for a lot of excitement. We're going to Kratie Market. This place is crazy in a good way. So many colors, smells, and sounds. We walk through the market, looking at the fruits, vegetables, and spices. We try new fruits, buy souvenirs, and enjoy the energy. We eat Kai TV, a noodle soup, and even try fried spiders. Kratie Market is a fun place to experience Cambodia, but we're not done yet. Kratie has more for us. Get ready to go back in time over 1,000 years. We're going to Sambor Prey Cook, a really important place with old temples. This is perfect for people who love history. It's full of temples and statues. We walk through the jungle and see the old brick buildings. We explore the temples, each one different. We see carvings of mythical creatures. We find hidden rooms with old paintings. It's amazing to think about how old this place is. Sambor Prey Cook is a must-see for anyone who likes history. But wait, Kratie has one more adventure for us. Okay everyone, our last adventure is a hike up Phnom Sopor Kale, a mountain with amazing views. The trail goes through the jungle. It's a hard hike, but the view is worth it. We see beautiful views of the countryside. We stop at a waterfall to cool down. Then we keep going to the top, where there's a temple. The temple is small, but the view is incredible. We stand on the mountain and look at everything below. This is the end of our Kratie adventure. As we walk down, we feel good about what we saw. So that was our trip to Kratie Province. From old temples to special dolphins, busy markets to quiet islands, Kratie has something for everyone. We had fun, explored new places, and tried new things. But most importantly, we saw a place that is real and beautiful. If you want a real adventure, Kratie is waiting for you. So, what are you waiting for? Go explore. Thanks for coming with us to Kratie Province. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See you next time.